Instagram may look smooth, but behind the scenes, it's storing data that could slow everything down. Old browsing history, cached files, and hidden data can mess with your feed, cause glitches, and even put your privacy at risk. Most people don't clear it until problems start, but with just a few taps, you can clean it up, speed things up, and protect your info. Let's do it right now. So first, open up your Instagram app on your Android phone. After that, tap on your profile picture below. Next, tap on the 3-line icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the website permissions option. Then tap on browser settings. Here you can see the clear cookies and cache under the browsing data. Tap on it. Now tap clear browsing data to confirm it. And there you have it. Your Instagram app cookies and cache has been cleared now. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.